In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Toyota Prius key fob. If your key isn't working properly or the range is getting shorter, it's probably time for a new battery. First, find the small release button on the back of your key fob and slide out the mechanical key. Next, use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the key fob's case along the seam. Once opened, you'll see the small round battery inside. Carefully remove the old battery, usually a CR2032 coin cell, and take note of its orientation so you can install the new one the same way. Place the new battery in the slot, making sure the positive side, plus, is facing up. Snap the key fob case back together until it clicks securely. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into place. Test your key fob to make sure the battery change worked. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy car tips. Thanks for watching.